Well, that's the last time I'm gonna see it looking like this. No, well, it's gonna happen sometime, so may as well get out there and break it today. And yes, people are saying you haven't got the right colors. I know, relax people, they come in. I'm not breaking the rules. New bike, new kit. Today's gonna be a good day. First ride on the new bike actually feels nice already. Crisp. Car park wheelies for the camera. Whoa, something wrong with the gearbox there. What the hell's that? Oh no, it's the gear lever's too high. It's sitting on the chain. Oh, I will fix that up. Back on our old tracks to see how bad these storms have affected our local stuff. Maybe some rain rats. We'll see. Whoa! There was no stopping me there. Well, our bike feels pretty similar to the other one. Engine feels fresher, which makes sense because the other one's due for a piston change. We going that way. What are you doing, Jonathan? Just talk us through it, buddy. What's the plan? Sure. Did you have your breakfast this morning? Because you're making a bloody meal out of that one. I'm going to cheat, Brucey, and it's going to be on camera. You'll be alright. That doesn't look too bad. Feet up, hold on, Burnsy. Oh well, down is down. Oh, we come across the first track blocker. That's beyond our level, so making a new track around. Brucey's going to be the guinea pig, see how he goes. Oh, it's not hard enduro if you're not pushing. Definitely a no. Here's Johnny. Stick with being a Jono because you don't want to go circle like all the others. Don't be a follower. Be an individual. Like me, ride a KTM. Nothing like a bit of gardening mid zigzag. Saved by the legs, Johnny. Tell you what, that 333 got me with that moose is incredible. No way I could do it without it. Well, that wasn't too bad. Bike is running sweet. Don't know if I told you yet, folks, but it's hot today. Hotter than the blazes of hell itself. Here comes Johnny. Oh, it sounds so sweet, that bike.
Gonna need a coolant top up.
Coolant top up on aisle 5. Couple more tracks to end the day. Quick ride before work on a Tuesday. Did I tell you folks how hot it is today? Mother of God. Oh. Use the momentum. Yeah, Johnny! Alright, let's give Johnny a bit of a run for his money here. I think he's like 20 years younger than me. That's my excuse anyway if I lose. Oh, ripped the plastic off already. Oh, he's going good. Here comes the steep bit. Oh, he's gone the wrong way. Oh, Jonathan, you've gone the wrong way. This is going to be interesting. Whoa! Oh, that was nice. Oh, well, that wasn't the best. Same again. Brucey, what's going on? He's on the phone, he's been there for so long. Operation Rescue Jono. Get the front over there a bit. Oh, coming this way. Woo. Don't forget to turn the juice on. Come on, Johnny, you got this. Oh no. More of a run up than that.
Can't get grip anyway. What's going on? Oh, that was a good first ride out. No major damage, a couple of broken bits, but standard for me. Two plastics. Should be right, ready to race. See you on the next one.